Hello friends, in this video I will tell you the features of a wire rods electric stick welder machine. Welding is an essential skill for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're fixing broken metal parts, working on an automotive project, or tackling home repairs, having a reliable and portable welding machine can make all the difference. The portable electric welding machine is a game changer in this category. Compact, efficient, and user-friendly, this machine promises to deliver professional results with ease. In this guide, we'll explore its key features, performance, and real-world applications to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Our arc welder handheld adopts advanced IGBT inverter technology. Superior arc welding performance, good arc stability, can reduce copper and iron damage, improve the efficiency and reliability of the welder, less spatter, and smooth weld, achieve perfect welding. Perfect for home DIY, professional welding and general repairing work. The size of welding machine is about 9.8 by 9.45 inch, the weight is only 3.3 pounds, it support welding with one hand. Such mini and portable design saves space on your workbench and looks beautifully neat. It can be used for home, offices, factories, and many other places. Come with a carrying case, easy to carry to anywhere. It can also work at heights. Come with 20-120 amp welding output, adjustable, simple knob design, 6 variable current adjustment, true current output make the welding work easier and the welding effect is more perfect. This portable welder machine fit for 3/32 1/8, 2.5 to 3.2 millimeters, welding rods, and equipped with a hot arc start function. It's a great help when starting the arc, making the arc starting easier and the welding pool more beautiful. Powerful air intake and heat dissipation intelligence system. A good heat dissipation system can keep the welding machine working for a long life. The welder machine built-in 360 degrees cooling technology and specific overheat protection, effectively protect the internal circuit of the welding machine from damage and ensure safe and stable use. If you want to buy this product, you will find the link in the video description. You can also buy this product from our website. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get notification of new videos.